Compare two Python strings that contain numbers. Update. I should have specified this sooner, but not all of the names are simply floats. For example, some of them are prefixed with eth. So for example eth1.1. So, you have the same problem eth1.9, eth1.11 should be true. I'm really surprised that the string comparison fails. Hello. This should be a pretty simple question, but I can't seem to find the answer. I'd like to sort a bunch of Excel worksheets by name. Each of the names are numbers, but in the same way that textbook sections are numbered, meaning section 4.11 comes after 4.10, which both come after 4.9 and 4.1. I thought simply comparing these numbers as string would do, but I get the following. How can I compare these two values such that 4.11 is greater than 4.2?
Convert the names to tuples of integers and compare the tuples. Update. Since your names apparently can contain other characters than digits, you'll need to check for value error and leave any values that can't be converted to ints unchanged. To sort a list of names, use splitted name as a key function to sort it.
What you're looking for is called natural sorting. That is opposed to lexicographical sorting. There are several recipes out there that do this, since the exact output of what you want is implementation specific. A quick Google search yields this. Note this is not my code, nor have I tested it. This URL.
This is not a built-in method, but it ought to work. That can be cleaned up, but it gives you the gist.
Use s1.split. To create a list of the items before and after the decimal, then sort the list of lists. Example. So, your implementation might be